Welcome children to our YouTube channel. Here we express this expression as a rational number. How to evaluate this expression? Children, here given 3 by 4 raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 3 whole raised to minus 1. Children, we know the a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. Therefore, children, here 3 by 4 raised to minus 1, we can write this as a 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 whole raised to minus 1. Now children, here the LCM is a 3. Therefore, we can write 4 minus 1 divided by 3 whole raised to minus 1 is equal to 3 by 3 whole raised to minus 1 is equal to 3 cut. Therefore, 1 raised to minus 1 we can write as a 1 our answer.